Hello and welcome to the walking talking topic transformations question number 4 with me, Mr. Barton. Two 2-mark questions asking us to carry out pretty routine transformations. Let's make sure we get all 4 marks here. Firstly, reflect the triangle in the line x equals minus 2. Now, I've put a ring round x equals minus 2 because if we don't know what that line looks like, we're in a bit of trouble on this question. So x equals minus 2 is a line where every coordinate on that line must have an x coordinate of minus 2. So I think that is going to be a vertical line like that goes through minus 2 on the x-axis. Do not start drawing a horizontal line for that or you're going to be in a bit of trouble. And then once you've got that, you're laughing because now you've just got to do a simple reflection. Every point has got to be the same distance on both sides of the line. So this point here is 1, 2 away, so we've got to go 2 away and get a little point there. This point here is 1, 2, 3, 4 away, so let's go 1, 2, 3, 4 away on that side. And this point here is 1, 2, 3, 4 away, so let's go 1, 2, 3, 4 away on that side. Join them up and we should get ourselves a beautiful looking triangle and help ourselves to 2 very handy marks. Now, what about this next question that I see here? Rotate the triangle through clockwise through 90 degrees. So we've got a rotation, we're going clockwise, the way a clock goes. We've got 90 degrees, so a quarter turn, and about the point we call it 0, 2. Now watch out for that. A lot of people instinctively rotate around the origin, but this is 0, 2. Now, where's 0, 2? That's issue number 1. 0 on the x, 2 on the y. So there it goes there. That becomes our centre of rotation. Let's get our tracing paper at the ready. Here we go. Let's trace round our triangle. There it is there. Let's pop our pen at the centre of rotation, and then let's make sure we do a quarter turn. Now, if you remember my advice from the previous video, if you line up your tracing paper so it's going vertically down the grid, you want to turn it so that same side is then going horizontally, and you should end up with something like that. Now, I'm going to keep an eye on these points. I think I've got 1, 3 and 1, 7. So let's peel that back and just mark that on. 1, 3 and 1, 7. And the other one is at 3, 6. 3, 6. That's looking good there. Let's join that up with our ruler. We get a point there. We get a point there. And we get a point there. And once again, there's a handy 2 marks.